Hello and welcome. So in this video, we will learn about the font style in CSS. By using font style, we can italicize a text and we can non-italicize a text as well. So let's get started. So inside of this one, so this paragraph is using now serif font. I have just changed from math and do something like font style, okay, and do italic and hit save. And now if I go to the browser, now our text is italic like the paragraphs, okay. And also if you remember, when we were learning about the HTML, EM and the I elements, I have told you like, hey, we can italicize the text by using CSS, and this is how we can do that, okay. And also there is something which I want to point out here. So this is the documentation. So let's reset everything. So this is the documentation for font style. Here it is normal, here it is italic, here it is oblique, and if I go here, so oblique is kind of italic, but by using oblique we can use a degree as well. So if I just do something like, as you can see, 0 degree means straight, and do 100 degrees, okay. And now it is showing me something. Let me just do 60, maybe 60, and now as you can see it is slanted 60 degrees, okay. So we can do that as well. So we can add that inside of our code. Let me just go to the code editor, and instead of italic we can do oblique and do 60 degrees, okay. And go to the browser, and here inside of this browser I'm not seeing that there is a something happening here. So let me just go here and just grab that font style. Something is not working here, and do something like this, and let's do 40 degrees and let's see how that looks, okay. So there it is, but this is not working right now, okay. Let me just check what happened. So oblique is there. So now if I just go, most probably this font is not supporting that. So this is one thing to keep in mind, because many of the font might not support the oblique. So italic font faces generally cursive in nature, usually using less horizontal spaces, right? So basically that is it. So this is the font style, and as you have seen, like this oblique is getting some sort of problem. So whenever you want to use italic text, I will recommend you to use just italic, okay. And there will be a very little chance that you want to just have some sort of degree inside of like the italic fonts, right? So yeah, so let's go to the code editor here, and let's do italic and italic, okay. So let's go to the browser once again, and now our text is italic. So this is the font style in CSS.